In the last lecture, we have started partnership firm and understanding a definition of Section 4 of the Partnership Act. A partnership is the relation between the person who have agreed to share the profits. A partnership, the relation between the person who have agreed to share the profits of business uh, carried by carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Basically, partnership is a relation between the person. Minimum 2%, maximum 50% members in the partnership firm. Minimum 2% maximum 50% and they agreed. It means they make agreement between them either oral or written for the sharing of profits. And business carrying is done by all partners or any of them acting for all. जर ही डेफिनेशन समजली तर तुमचे फीचर्स क्लिअर होतील. कारण पहिला पॉईंट तो साईडचा ॲग्रीमेंट आहे बा फीचर्स मध्ये पॉईंट तोच दिलाय. पहिला पॉईंट ॲग्रीमेंट आहे, जॉईंट ओनरशिप आहे, जे रिलेशन आहे. कॅरीड मिस मॅनेजमेंट आहे, जॉईंट मॅनेजमेंट आहे, लॉफुल बिझनेस आहे. हे सगळे फीचर जे आहेत ते डेफिनेशन बेस आहेत. But also in the last lecture, you are already teaching merits of partnership firm. The last lecture covered the merits of partnership firm, easy formation, capital, secrecy, continued existence, flexibility of operation, decision making, efforts and reward relationships, goodwill and specialization. Easy formation, a partnership firm require only a minimum 2% come together and they make agreement either oral or written, and not require compulsory registration with any government authority. Means easy formation compared to company. SP झालं आपला लेसन फॉर्मेशन कंपनी थर्ड लेसन झालाय. त्यामध्ये डिफिकल्टी फक्त बघा की प्रमोशन आहे, एनकॉर्पोरेशन आहे आणि देन बिझनेस कमेंटमेंट स्टेप्स आहे. प्रमोशन मध्ये 5 स्टेप्स आहेत, इनकॉर्पोरेशन मध्ये 12 स्टेजेस आहेत, कमेन्समेंट मध्ये 6 स्टेजेस आहेत. जे कम्पेअर टू दिस it must require easy formation. Only 2% come together and start the business. Agreement also orally. A capital. We just revise go the capital compared to sole trading concern. A partnership firm have the more capital. Compared to sole trading concern, because in the sole trading concern, a single person bring the capital. But in the partnership, the partners minimum 2 persons are maximum 50 are, and every partners bring the capital. Every partners bring the capital, so increase capital than a sole trading concern. Secrecy in the partnership firm, partners liability is unlimited with joint in several. A secrecy means which information cannot share to another person. Just secret information असते. Example, a business pattern, a formula of business, a product formula, which not be expressed to another person. The partnership enjoy secrecy as firm not subject to publish books or accounts annually. A competitor cannot easily come to know about secrets and confidential information of the partnership firm. The partnership firm enjoy maximum secrecy because secret leakage, if secret leak by the partner to another business, automatically their liability comes in danger because unlimited liability continue existence. Partnership can continue after the death, insolvency, insanity किंवा त्याला अनसॉन्ड म्हणावं of one of the partners. A partner's other partner can continue the business. For example, बघा A, B, C are partners आहेत. Out of A, B, C, a C partner, a death or insolvency or unsound mind. That time A and B continue the business by making the fresh agreement. Example समजते का बघा A, B and C partners are out of ABC, a C, a death, either insolvent, either unsound mind. That time A and B come together, make the fresh agreement, between them and continue the business. The continue existence and a flexible operation. A partnership firm or not follow any special acts, or any rules regulation. A business can change as per requirement. They not require approval in the government changes. आपण एस्टिमेट शिकलो आपण एस्टिमेट अंडरस्टँड झालं आपलं की एक कंपनी चेंज एनी क्लॉज ऑफ MOA. If company change any clause of MOA, require submit to ROC. झालं आपलं आठवते का बघा जरा. Even company cannot change name without permission of ROC. Even company cannot do activities which provide limits of the MOA. If a company or director or any member act beyond the limits of MOA, become ultra vires. Become the ultra vires. So required to follow doctrine of ultra vires मला फॉलो करावा लागतो कंपनीमध्ये. But in the partnership firm, not doctrine ultra vires. Partnership firm do the business. A decision making in the partnership firm, a very few partners are there, and partner take easily decision with proper discussion. So quality of decision making is better than sole trading concern because the sole trader only one person take decision. It may chance become decision wrong, but in the partnership firm, partners take decision after discussion. So quality of decision making is very good. A fund rewards in the partnership firm, a business can manage by partners because line of it definition मध्ये carried on by all or any of them acting for all. And every partner put a best efforts, thus reward are shared among them. Partnership provide agreement, a partial salary or higher share profits or to active partners. Goodwill. Goodwill means valuation of partnership business in terms of money. Goodwill means reputation, valuation of the business in terms of money. A partnership firm enjoy good amount of goodwill. It can use when admit the new partners. So goodwill must be important. Merits partnership firm specialization. In the partnership firm, partners can appoint the expert person as a partner in the business. Partner may be expert in finance, technology, marketing, or any area of business. The partnership firm enjoy benefit of specialization. Demerits, मेरिट्स मध्ये काय अडचण आहे का सांगा आत्ताच मला. मेरिट्स मध्ये काय अडचण आहे का? मेरिट्स मध्ये काय अडचण आहे का? मेरिट मध्ये काय अडचण आहे का? बट डे में कंटिन्यू करूया. The partnership business, the partnership problem of continuity, the partnership business may face a problem of continuity unless the partnership, unless they provide for continuation of business on the event of death, insolvency, or insanity किंवा unsound any partner. And after death, after insolvency or unsound of any partner, the previous agreement is cancelled. So require the new agreement between the remaining partners. If not make new agreement, the partnership is cancelled or dissolved. हे लक्ष इकडे द्या. Problem continuity. Partnership may not be continued if partners not make the fresh agreement on the death, insolvency or unemployment of any partner. जर नवीन अग्रीमेंट केलंच नाही, so partnership can dissolve आहे. Because partnership continue up to agreement. Any partner death, insolvency, unsound mind, or disqualified by any law, automatically partnership dissolve. Dissolve means close. Then absence of legal status. The partnership business, a partnership business cannot get legal status. Yes, it can have the special act by the law. The government framed special act for partnership Indian Partnership Act 1932. But this act never provide a legal status means artificial person in the court of law. Partnership and partner not separate. They are same. Partners and partnership firm are same, not differ. So liability is unlimited ability. So no or legal status have. No or legal status. A disputes. A disputes means a conflicts, a debating. Dispute are common in partnership because more than one person come together and run the business by agreement. So sometimes chance to dispute between them. Some dispute between them and dispute can lead a dissolution of business. Dispute can lead a dissolution of business. Partnership firm can have a disputes between the partners because some partner get more profits, some partner get less profits. So started the काय a dispute between them and ultimately leads a dissolution of business, a non-transferability of interest, or no partners. Any one partner cannot transfer their shares to outsider without permission of other partner. In the partnership, partners cannot transfer their investment to another person. Share means investment to another person without permission of all partners because non-transferability of interest. काल बघितलं पब्लिक कंपनीमध्ये शेअर्स आर फ्रीली ट्रान्सफरेबल आहेत बट पार्टनरशिप फर्म मध्ये नॉट फ्रीली ट्रान्सफरेबल आहे सेम आहे but limitation number of partners. A partnership act, a partnership act impose limitation on the maximum number of partners. The Indian Partnership Act provide limitation on the partnership numbers. Minimum 2 partners आहेत, maximum 50 partners आहेत. Minimum 2 partner, maximum 50 आहे. So partnership maximum partner is 50 आहे limitation. Then a difficulty in admission of partner. When admit the new partners, in partnership firm, there are difficulty because change a profit sharing ratio because A B is a partner. A ratio is काय equal आहे जे 1:1 1/3 but नवीन partner add केला so required to change some ratio so lead a difficulty admission of new partner. हे लक्ष कर द्या पार्टनरशिप मध्ये काय ए आणि बी पार्टनर्स आहेत दे एन्जॉय 50% प्रॉफिट आहे बट दे वॉन्ट टू ऍड सी पार्टनर they want to add C partners, automatically change a profit sharing ratio. It divided by 3 will profit. Previously divided by 2 होता काय 3. So required changes in ratio. Sometimes it leads a difficulty admission new partner because new partner may not be loyal because any secret leak to an outsider liability comes in danger. So a difficulty in admission of new partner. Then unlimited liability. In the partnership firm, partners liability unlimited or joint and several. Joint and several. Already हा पण आपण फीचर्स मध्ये कव्हर केला. It means a partnership firm not have sufficient funds for the payment of loan. The payment of creditors or not a sufficient loan fund नाही आहेत आपल्याकडे. So that time partners bring the personal property in the business and make the payment of creditors. A risk of implied authority. In the partnership, every partner principal as well as agent. In the partnership firm, every partner as a principal as well as agent आहे पण ऑल इथे पॉईंट झालाय फीचर्स मध्ये बघा आपला मी दाखव तुमचं टेक्स्ट बुक पीडीएफ पण तिथं by every partner, principal as well as agent. So automatically, so implant authority है because any partner can take a decision on behalf of other partner, and sometimes become wrong decision, bear the liability. Often risk of employer authority in partnership business. Partner may take undue wrong advantage, take wrong advantage of managing business on the other partner. Any partner can take a wrong decision and other partners can bear them loss. So implied authority risk है. A limited capital in partnership business. In partnership business, there is a less capital as compared to just a company. In partnership firm, a less capital compared to just a company. And the partnership maximum member 50 आहे, but company मध्ये पब्लिक कंपनी मिनिमम 7 मेंबर आहेत, मॅक्झिमम 200, मॅक्झिमम अनलिमिटेड आहेत. प्रायव्हेट कंपनी मिनिमम 2 मेंबर्स आहेत, मॅक्झिमम 200 आहेत. जे कंपेअर टू जस्ट अ कंपनी, पार्टनर्स मेंबर आर व्हेरी लिमिटेड. ओनली 50 पार्टनर मॅक्झिमम आहे. So this limitation can decrease capital compared to company. हे लक्ष द्या, increase capital compared to sole trader आहे, पण decrease capital compared to just a company. पॉइंट समजते का सगळ्यांना की मेरिट मध्ये पॉइंट गेलाय कॅपिटल आहे, पण डिमेरिट म्हणून कॅपिटल पॉइंट आलाय. मेरिट मध्ये काय कंपेअर टू सोल ट्रेडिंग इज अ मोर कॅपिटल, पण डिमेरिट मध्ये कंपेअर टू जस्ट अ कंपनी इज अ लेस कॅपिटल आहे. Then problem of secrecy. The books of accounts, financial matters are not required to be published. A partnership firm lacks a business secrecy. Sometimes partners can share information or to outsiders. This secret information can partners sometimes share or to another person. Just one example: A, B, C, and D are partners. In the partnership, four partner A आहे, B आहे, C and D. Out of A, B, C, D, they have dispute between them. A, B, C, D partner have dispute between them, and sometime it may chance any one partner disclose information of the organization to outsiders, and competitors get benefits. समजते का? Out of the ABCD partner, any partner can disclose information due to a dispute between them. So automatically, the competitors get the benefits and organization bear the losses. It's the difficulty of the organization. Difficulty of organization. डिमेरिट समजलं का सगळ्यांना?